So I'm working on this gun, and I've run across this problem before. It's a 6K gun, and it will not fire on 3K. I've seen this problem in my guns. Never really figured out exactly what it was, and I think this is the problem. You see this? How it sticks out? Well, I think that's fooling around with all the timing. So I had a solenoid that was doing this, and here it is. And I figured out how to take it apart, and I fixed it. It works fine now. So if your gun is not running on a specific rate of fire, this might be your problem. So anyway, I'll show you how this all comes apart. First, we gotta knock this pin out, and then that top actually screws off. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that pin out and unscrew it. So here we have it disassembled, and you just knock this pin out of your hammerhead, I guess you'd call it, and then this unscrews. I guess that's an armature. And here's the problem. This part right here, I'll show you a better picture. But if you dry fire it, what happens is the front of it slams all the way forward into the body of the solenoid, and it winds up flaring that out. And it gets to a point where it'll actually hang up there, and that's not good. So we're going to chuck this in the drill and put a file on it to work that flare out of it.